In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a poll on Snapchat. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Once you are in, start by taking a picture with your camera. After that, tap on the sticker icon to access the stickers menu. Among the available stickers, you'll find the poll option. By selecting it, you can overlay the poll sticker on your photo. Keep in mind that you can only create a simple poll with two response options. It's best to frame your questions as a yes or no. For example, you could ask, "Do you like animals?" You can also customize the two response options by tapping on them, which will bring up a menu where you can choose different emojis to represent the answer. Once you're satisfied, tap Done. You can then move the poll sticker around to place it wherever you like on the image. You also have the option to resize it by dragging the corners. When you are ready to share your poll, just hit the send button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.